Jake, get right here and do it. You won't get hit because that's way up higher.
Okay, I'll do it.
So Jake just stay there. Ben
No, this is not better spot. Right, you'll be like twice as close, but you'll be
Ben,
up
go where
higher.
Jake is.
Come on.
Right?
Don't do anything.
AJ.
Ben, just Jake
Going
was
in
hiding
this
behind
Right there.
Ben, go for the stairs. Where he was. Go for the stairs. Or Ben, Ben. No, I'm throwing over here.
This is probably the safer place.
Ben.
Ben,
over here.
Imagine like all
of it goes
over there.
Need video angle.
It like hits the wall.
Ben. Ben, just go over here. Ben, over there.
We got one rubber band left.
Over there. No. Yeah, then we got
What if the last rubber band works?
That's what we thought earlier. We got like one rubber band left. We're like, shall it be the last?
Shut up. Alright.
This is impossible watermelon. Why did they choose this one? She chose the one.
Alright, I stopped the video. I'm waiting until you get
If you take all the rubber bands off, just see like a big tent.
Yeah, probably.
pop right when you right.
Right when someone restarts their camera, it's gonna pop.
Get started now.
Get it?
No, stop
Oh, your dad's
moving.
No!
Hey, don't you all slow on your phone?
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
What?
I took like a lot of.
Tuesday. And I'm going to get more Wednesday, so I'll give them to you. I'm getting more Monday, I think. No. Yeah.
A 7-minute video.
Alright. I'm at CJ's right now, pulling up a watermelon with rubber bands.
That's a normal.
Yeah.
See his hair? See his hair? Alright, you see his hair? I was recently cut last night by RJ's dad for $50. Oh, Zach got
So he gave RJ, he gave AJ $50.
RJ's dad gave AJ $50 to let him cut his hair.
So yeah, he got the haircut
Dude,
for
it's
free,
really
and he also
easy.
got $50. Stop moving the chair. Stop moving anything.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on!
Oh, you guys have.
You think it's not gonna blow up? I think it's gonna blow up in a few seconds. Or minutes. If it's leaking right now. It's been leaking the whole time. Yeah, but no, it's like dripping.
Hey, Grandpa.
That wasn't there a few seconds.
Randy.
Come on.
Guys.
We're good.
Nice.
You take a few pelts. No, I'm gonna take a lot.
Take
Oh,
three
big
at-
one.
Take three at a
Finally.
time.
That's what we've been doing with this thing.
You guys should have got like a firecracker.
Firecrackers.
Inside the watermelon.
Oh,
Senior, we got some bad boys.
dude, that would have been sick.
We can drill holes in it.
You want to do it? It looks like movement, Jack.
What if it goes through a window?
Oh, dude. If it goes through that window, we're screwed.
No, it goes. It wouldn't. It's way too weak.
Watermelon's invincible.
How many rubber bands have you used?
A few hundred. Do need to pick up the pace down there a little bit.
How long have you been doing this?
You can't tell me what to do.
Probably like
3 hours. We've been doing this for like 2 hours.
10 minutes. 11.
It's all gonna be
Senior, what are you doing?
It's being dumb.
like always.
Sam, stop putting your foot on the chair.
Whoa, I want to lift it up to Joe.
10.
Stop putting your foot on the chair.
10, 9,
Shut up.
Sam, just be quiet.
6,
Yeah.
5, 4,
Shut up.
3, 2,
Shut up.
1.
Gosh, you're not.
Imagine that.
Oh my God, it's gonna blow up soon.
It is.
Okay, come on.
It's leaking.
You got like a pot or something down there?
Is this still a splash zone?
I think it's blowing up. Crack's getting wider. Dude, keep rapping, keep rapping. The crack's getting wider. It's gonna blow up. It's blowing up. It's going. It's going. Get back. It's going. Videotape it. Hurry!
Sorry. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's wimpy.
God, you can see it.
It's wimpy. Oh, lame.
10.